Hi, my name is Monica McCarthy with Coldwell Banker Collegiate Peaks Realty in Salida, Colorado. Happy New Year. And I'm here to briefly share with you the housing market statistics for Chaffee County, Colorado this past December 2022, as well as talk a little bit about what's in store for 2023. If you only have a moment, I'll summarize for you now. Home sales went down, home inventory went up, and our prices in December did not go down, but I do have a bit more information as to why that happened. So stick with me for more details on all of that. Demand first. There were just 23 closings in December, which is 43% less than last year and 23% less than last month. And this is likely because of the lingering interest rates that we're seeing in our country. The number of days a home is on the market before it goes under contract did decrease from the past few months. So homes are now on the market a median of 23 days compared to 32 days last month, which shows that we do still have continued demand in this market. Inventory. Sellers brought fewer homes to the market this month compared to last month and last year. But we ended the month with 127 active listings, which is 23 weeks of inventory for this market, and that's an increase of 159% compared to last December. So buyers do still have a selection, especially compared to last year. Now, price. The median close price for a home in Chaffee County this past December was $704,000, which if you've been paying attention to these updates the past few months, that's quite a jump from the stabilizing low sixes, high fives that we were starting to see. So fear not, to dig a little bit deeper, there were two variables that led to this price jump. First, we had a 71% price increase for multifamily homes this past month, which is a pretty rare, although I do want to watch those numbers to see if those continue to rise. And second, more than half of the homes that closed this past month were priced at 600 and higher, quite a bit higher, some of them. So our market is small enough that variables like these can really skew the numbers. So I recommend don't fret right now. Let's watch the numbers for the next few months and see. I do predict that we're gonna see some more stabilizing pricing as our market continues over the next few months. So let's talk about the year ahead, 2023. We're in the future, right? So on a national scale, we're seeing more buyers accept that interest rates are gonna kind of stay where they are. They're not gonna plummet down like they were in the last year or two. And so we're starting to see more buyers come back into the buyer pool and buy homes now that they see where the interest rates are gonna be. For our market, I think we will continue to balance to a healthier market where our prices do go down somewhat, but not tremendously. I think we're gonna kind of plateau somewhat here after we go down a bit. Buyers will continue to have time to look at homes before they make an offer, and they'll still have some negotiating power. This is better than what we were seeing last year, right? And yes, the interest rates have priced out some of our buyers, but there are more lending and seller contribution options now. So keep that in mind if you're a buyer, talk to your realtor about those options. And sellers will be able to sell their homes for a fair price, not crazy high, but fair. And if they market and properly prep their homes for the market, then sellers can expect their homes to be on the market for a few weeks, a reasonable amount of time. In short, I think we can take a collective breath this year. I, for one, am looking forward, cautiously optimistic. I hope you are too. If you have any questions about Chaffee County real estate market, please reach out to me, Monica McCarthy, your resource for Chaffee County real estate.